How to fix syncing issues in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. YNAB requires a reliable connection to sync transactions properly. If your connection is fine, go to the account section in the app and look for any account showing a syncing error. Tap on the account with issues. You will see an option to reconnect or refresh the account. Tap it and follow the on-screen instructions to re-enter your login credentials or verify your bank connection if required. Sometimes simply logging out of the app and signing back in can resolve minor syncing problems. You can also try updating the YNAB app to the latest version if issues persist. Once your connection is re-established, your transactions will start syncing automatically and your budget will update correctly. Now you know how to fix syncing issues in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.